If you are overwhelmed by the crippling cost of prescription drugs, a first-of-its-kind online pharmacy is helping to save some members up to 99% on drug costs. News Channel 3's Peter Dowd is here tonight going in depth on this. And Peter, you looked into something here that's really almost sounds too good to be true.
Yeah, that's right, John. Many of us are so used to paying high drug prices, it's easy to be skeptical. But the company ScriptGo Pharmacy, which just got licensed here in California, takes the true wholesale cost of a drug and passes it on to you, the consumer. And as I discovered, the savings can be extreme.
It just amazes me that there's not more conversations on this.
Palm Springs resident Rita Gonzalez is like millions of Americans who use prescription drugs, and she is constantly searching for ways to save money on them.
I learned about the different coupons you can get, and it makes a big difference.
The coupons make a big difference.
You have to really look to see how you can get around things.
But now there's a game-changing concept. ScriptGo is an online pharmacy that sells generic medicine at wholesale cost. Unlike most other pharmacies, ScriptGo does not accept insurance. The company says that allows it to cut out the middleman and set its own prices.
So how do you make money?
Our memberships. So we charge $140 a year or $50 per quarter, and that's our only margin. The rest is a net zero. So when we buy a medication like lisinopril for 1 penny per pill, we sell it for 1 penny per pill.
Before joining, you can see exactly how much you might save. Enter your prescriptions on the ScriptGo website and see the wholesale cost of your meds. It's free to check, and the site won't ask for any personal information unless you join. For example, according to the website GoodRx.com, which tracks the cost of prescription drugs, the average retail price for the prostate medication Flomax normally costs about $72 for a 30-day supply. Using their coupons, the cheapest price is $1.88. But the ScriptGo wholesale price is just $1.20. That's more than $858 saved a year. The generic for cholesterol drug Lipitor, atorvastatin, normally costs about $70 for a 30-day supply. The cheapest price with a GoodRx coupon is $1.42. ScriptGo sells it for only 54 cents, meaning nearly $840 saved every year. Gleevec, the generic for a cancer drug, has an average retail price of about $9,800 for a 30-day supply. The cheapest price with a GoodRx coupon is $113.94. ScriptGo sells it for only $37, a whopping savings of nearly $117,000 a year.
It is certainly confusing and frustrating and Byzantine and, yes, unfair.
Dan Leonard is president of the Association for Accessible Medicines, which advocates for policies that ensure Americans are able to afford their medicines. Though he's supportive of companies like ScriptGo that help people save on prescriptions, he says it's unfortunate they're needed in the first place.
Why is there such a range when it comes to the prices of prescription drugs?
The product goes into the drug channel, and then before it gets to the patient, it's touched by a number of different entities in that channel, from the wholesaler to the pharmacy benefit manager to the pharmacy itself, regulated by the insurance company or Medicare. And then when it gets to the patient, it's often coming out that end at a much higher price.
But now that I'm on a very fixed income, I have to watch everything.
Rita Gonzalez wanted to find out how much she could save. So we typed in her medication, which she says normally costs hundreds a bottle. And on ScriptGo?
$5.50.
Wow. And when are they going to be doing this?
They already are.
And how do you find out about that?
Well, I'm telling you right now.
You just go to them.
So I was able to help you?
Yeah.
It's important to keep in mind, ScriptGo only sells generic meds, no brand-only drugs, and no controlled substances. So talk to a pharmacist who knows all the medicines you're taking to avoid any negative drug interactions. Zach Zeller says ScriptGo works best for the 79 million Americans on 3 or more maintenance medications.
I think a lot of people are going to hear this and they're going to think, what's the catch? This sounds too good to be true.
There is no catch. We just felt we found a better way to do this, and we really enjoy helping people, and we can still have a very successful business off of $140 a year per member. So it's a win-win-win in our opinion.
ScriptGo is based in Texas and is already licensed in several states, but just got licensed here in California. For a link to their website where you can type in your medication, we have posted that link on our website, kesq.com.
I've already checked it out, by the way, and something I paid $140 for last week, $7 through this company.
So I helped you too, John.
Yeah, there you go. And the question is, are they the only ones doing this, or are there other companies doing the same thing?
Yeah, there are many companies, and that's really why it's important for you to do your homework. GoodRx, which we mentioned, is a great free website, and there are others like Blink Health that offer medicines at lower cost. The key is to really shop around and do the math when it comes to your specific prescription.
Okay, thank you, Peter.